as you know, cancer is a rare disease, and multiple multiple cancers have even a rare occurrences in patients. We are lucky to have a lot of data in Harmony platform, so we can answer the questions that using a single data set or single center cannot answer those questions. This gives us opportunity to focus on the rare abnormalities within each cancer. Also, because each center treats patients differently, if we can find something, a treatment pathway or a biomarker that can identify good risk patients and poor risk patients in Harmony platform, we already answered the question that if this pathway works in other European countries. The other very interesting point for me as a data scientist is more data gives you more power. So if we can analyze and address a question using more data that Harmony provides us, the error rates of missing something in our models go considerably down.